Hey everyone, this is just a quick tip on how you can assign an assignment in Google Classroom and students can share their work with you without you actually creating a document for them. So if you have something like a paper or an essay, a slideshow, anything that you want students to turn into you, instead of having them share it, what you should do is go to Google Classroom and create an assignment. Title the assignment, and then you can give it a date, a topic, whatever you would like. You can assign it to more than one class at once if you'd like. We're just going to do the one, and then select assign. So that's all I did. Assignment, gave it a title, and assigned it to the class. On the student side of things, so this is going to look a little different because it's a different class. What it will look like for them is they'll see this little clipboard. That's the icon for an assignment, and they will select open. Once they select open, they will have either an add or create button. So instead of sharing it with you and you getting an email and it cluttering up your drive, they can go to their Google Drive and add the document there. Or if they haven't begun to make the document yet and they want to start it from scratch, they can go to create. If they select docs, slide sheets, or drawings, it will title the assignment, whatever you titled it, put their name on the file, and attach it in Google Classroom. They can work on it there, and when they're finished, mark it as done. So this is just a quick way to avoid all of the emails and the sharing in your Google Drive. You can just assign an assignment in Google Classroom and it will organize all the work for you. As always, if you have any questions, please feel free to contact me.